How to add Clydebot to your Discord server. First up, open up the Discord application in your devices and go to the server you want to add Clydebot to. Once you open up the server, it should open up a page as shown on the screen. On the top left corner, you can see the server name, which is set to server in this server, which if you click will open a drop-down box. Here, click on Server Settings, which is the third option, and this will open a new page. Here, you can see a bunch of different options as you can see on the screen. Among all the options that you can see on the left side of the screen, the Clydebot option is in the Apps section. Once you click on the Clyde option, you can see an Enable Clyde button. Click on the button and this is how you can enable Clydebot in your server.